What's up, guys? Welcome back. We got a Monsterverse drawing today. Taking a sip of tea. I don't know if you can see. It's a Sully. It's a Sully cup. He's been with me for a long time. This Sully cup. We're going to be doing King Caesar, not Sully. King Caesar from the Monsterverse. So, I have no idea about this character. Gotta say, didn't even know he existed. Or is it a he? I'm not sure. So let's give it a go anyway. Focusing on the face. Yeah. Okay, we'll give it a best shot anyway. Landscape page, use a pencil and eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So I'm drawing this sort of from an old sort of toy-like thing. So he seems to have like a third eye or something in the middle. It's probably the easiest place to start. So we'll just go center point here, come up, and we'll start with a circle. Doesn't kind of have to be a perfect circle, but we'll give it our best shot. Okay. And then there's like an eyeball or something inside. So it's like a shadow. Is it a third eye? I'm not sure. And then it looks like a third eye, so we'll give it sort of an iris and a pupil in the middle. And then there's like flames or like a crown around this, so it like curves around like this sort of U shape first, and then we got like a horn coming up that way, and there might be like texture and stuff all over this. So we have these two spirals that come out from the side, right? So come out around there, like that, and then underneath join together. Then spiking sort of horns. So like spike here, spike here. Don't have to be the exact same both sides. And then the second sort of horn is much bigger, goes out around here, back to there. And this one, same sort of thing, back like that. And this is going to go down around, like become a frown for his eyes, right? So it's going to go down around here. And then you have another bump in the middle that goes up, and then the crown goes up the other side. Okay, and then once again, there's like lines like that on it. Maybe like another one inside. Hard to make it out, but I think there is. Like it just goes up that way somewhere. And like if you want like cracks and texture and all that stuff. Right, so then eyes in underneath the frown, big red sort of things. So let's see, we'll do one here, that's like the inside eye line, right? And then it goes around. Like so, and the same thing here. Sorry, yeah. Like that. And then there's like a line around the edge. An eyelid or something coming down around here. And then it's got like a big nose, like a big bulbous sort of nose, right? It comes out around like that first in the middle. And then nostrils curve out from here around the side, real big. And you have the nostril holes inside there. Right, and we'll just add some shadow to this. So adding some hatching then just makes it gradually less dark as we come out of the nostrils, you know, because there'd be more light just coming out there. So then we seem to have cat-like mouth, right? So it like comes out around this way. It's kind of bumps out around here. This has kind of all these lines, wrinkles and things on them. Right, so we'll just continue. So we go around with the cat-like sort of bumping mouth. Lots of these sort of texture lines and wrinkles and stuff. Okay. So then, right, so we got like teeth and stuff sticking down here. So we got like big fangs there. Like so, and then big square teeth coming across the front. That, and then square teeth along the bottom. We'll do the bottom jaw first. So we'll do the gum line. So it kind of just comes along the teeth here. Goes back up the other side. Like that, and then we have these square teeth down here. Gaps in between them. And then some sharp teeth along the edge, like here. Can't really see them, they're in behind. Another one goes up that way, kind of on his gums here. And go into his mouth. I suppose if it's King Caesar, it will be a male. And then sort of the tongue in there somewhere. Right, so then the outsides of jaw, right? So jaw kind of bumps out here. Another sort of wrinkly thing. And then it comes down like a big flat mouth. It's the same sort of thing on this side. Big bumpy thing, maybe like a lip line. And some texture on the skin. And then there's like another bump here. One here, and like the cheek. Yeah, there's like a cheekbone that goes all the way up to these horns, right? So like these brown sort of cheeks or something. All these bumping shapes on the face. And again, texture. like so. Alright, so then it's just like fur and big ears that stick out this way. So we'll do like the top of the head. So it just comes out like so. I think on the head there are these little sort of spiral things. Like in the fur or part of the head, I'm not sure. Let me see. I'm looking at like a couple of different images. So in like the original one, usual, it's on the head. It's like these spirals. How to draw them is the question. Right, so say if this is all like textured anyway here, you know, like fur and stuff. And then there seems to be like spirals in the fur. These kind of things. So you just do a spiral kind of like that, and then we'll add sort of a closed off end to it like this. They kind of stick up off the head. They're unusual things. And there's all hair around. Kind of like that. Okay, and then big furry ears, right? So again, these kind of spiky kind of shapes on them. And when you get to about level with, say, these spirals, that's when the bone sort of comes out, or like the brown part. I don't know if it's bone or not. But it, you know, there's like this brown part that just comes out here, and then more hair that goes down the head. Right, so there's this like, what would you say, just like this piece of flesh or something, like a skin section just here. And then if you want like texture just coming down on the fur. Sometimes I like to thicken up the lines that are on the outside of the character. Makes them stand out a little bit better. You know, just darker lines. Do this on the other side. So right, and then the pointy part of the ear, down like so, and then thicken up some of it maybe. As much texture as you want. Like that, right? So then we'll finish sort of the fur of the head. So it goes long, sort of down around sort of the jaw in here. Right, and then we have multiple sort of levels for the neck. It goes out like this. So it's more down folding fur. It doesn't sort of stick out, you know. Sort of there's a level of it inside. Just there. So then the neck will kind of just bump off this way down to a shoulder. You might have some fur every now and then, but like that. You go out the other way as well. There's an inside line here too. And then we need to add sort of texture to this, right? Sort of levels of fur going down. Just all furry texture lines inside, right? We'll do the same inside here. That, and then so I think different levels of fur again. So there's another level going down that way, another level here, and then like more coming across inside. Then we can like thicken up our outside lines. Maybe thicken up just the edge of the face just to make it stand out from the rest of the body. Do, 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 do. So as much of that fur texture now as you want. Okay, but I think that's everything. Maybe there's like some wrinkles just on the nose, just in here. But I think that'll have to do. That's how to draw King Caesar from the Monsterverse. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.